Hello students, let's start. Class 4, Subject Areas, Chapter 11, Chapter named Shelter for All, Topic Houses in Cities. In last class we talked about the houses in villages. Now today we are going to talk about the houses in cities. People who live in cities live in urban surroundings. If you remind that in last class we talked about the people those who live in villages, that is the rural surrounding. So just opposite the people those who live in cities, that is the urban surrounding. Means cities people, cities locality, that is the urban surroundings, urban area, and the people who live in villages, that is the rural area. So people live in cities, that is the urban area or urban surrounding. Houses in the cities are made of bricks, cement and steel. These things are provided in the cities. Cities are developed place. So these things can be easily arranged there. So houses made in cities that are made by bricks, cement and steel. The roofs are made of concrete and asbestos sheets. Roof, the topmost portion of the house, that is made by the concrete. Concrete is the combination of the cement and the hard stones that makes the concrete, and it is also used the asbestos sheets. Asbestos sheets, it is like little bit hard like the cement, but not actually the more powerful like this. The floors are made of tiles, marbles or mosaic. Floors in which the tiles are used, also the marbles can be used, and also the mosaic. Mosaic like the small pieces of the marbles. Most of the houses have doors and windows with wire meshing to keep out flies and mosquitoes. Most of the houses that the doors and the windows, these doors and windows are covered by the wire meshing like the net. They are completely closed, so because of it, the flies and mosquitoes cannot be enter. If the door is open, only in that case anybody can come in. If the door is shut, these flies and mosquitoes cannot come. In cities, there are single or two-story bungalows and also multi-story apartments with many flats on different floors. In cities, we can find the one or two-story bungalows. Normally, the bungalows are of one stories, but after the development of the time, the two-story bungalows are also present. And now the multi-story apartments. All of you know the apartments that have the many flats there, many rooms, many houses that are made by floor, that is the apartment. These are known as residential colonies. Residential colonies, it is actually like a building in which the many apartments are present, many houses are there. The building complexes have beautiful lawns, parks and community centers. In the buildings where the residential colonies are there, the complexes that have the beautiful lawns, that is the outside area or the extra area of any house, that is the lawn, from where you can see the outside locations like the balcony areas. And also the parks are available, and also community centers. Community centers where the small parties can be arranged, or any type of programs can be celebrated there. These multi-story buildings have access both through a staircase and a lift, which is also called an elevator. Since the building has many floors, so lot of stairs are there. So for help the people with the staircase, there the lift is also available, and that lift is known as elevator. Staircase also, but staircase can be useful for the 1 floor, 2 floor, 3 floor, maximum 4 floor. But if the people want to move up the 10th floor, 15th floor, in that case the lift and elevator is the suitable. There is also a parking area for vehicles, usually in the basement of these buildings. Parking, that is a very important place which is necessary in every house, because everybody has vehicles, and definitely a particular place should be fixed to stand these vehicles. That vehicles are known as parking. So in these buildings, the basement that is the underground floor, made underground floor, that is the basement. In this building that are made the parking, where the vehicles can be stand. Floor in which the ground, where that is the ground floor, and if the below the another section is made, that is the basement. These housing complexes also have good security arrangements. Since lot of money is invested there, lot of people are living there, so definitely security arrangement is also very good in that buildings. So these were the points related to the houses in the cities. Houses in the cities are very developed, many facilities are there, so everybody like to live in the cities. Everybody has a dream to have a house in the cities. So these were the points for the today. Thank you.